Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add elements in Canva to enhance your designs with shapes, icons, graphics, and more. Adding elements helps bring creativity and visual interest to your projects. To get started, in the Canva dashboard, all we have to do is click on Elements on the left side of the dashboard. From there, we just choose which elements we want to use. This can be shapes, graphics, animations, audio, or videos, depending on what we need. If we want to add photos, we just have to click to add photos. We can go back to Elements and add more as needed. If we want graphics, we can browse and find some here. We can keep adding elements until we are happy with how our design looks. And that is how we add elements in Canva in just a few simple steps. We can now create more engaging and visually appealing designs with ease.